Hello guys, so welcome to our vlog Smruti with GK. So today we are going to a very special destination, that is Tofino in Vancouver Island, that is in British Columbia. Excited for this, and if you are guessing where are we are at Tsawwassen ferry terminal, and this is a little market here behind me. So I just got my coffee and we just strolled around the market. We have parked our car here. We had our food together which Chachi prepared us from home. She woke up at 5 a.m. especially in the morning to prepare us paranthe and aloo ki sabji, which was so tasty. We are about to board our ferry, which is at 10:15 a.m. So we came early morning to board our ferry, and now let's go to Tofino. Yay!
So for going to Vancouver Island, you have to take a ferry either from Tsawwassen or Nanaimo ferry terminal, which costed us around $144 one way for 4 persons. And I would recommend to book your ferries in advance. We could not get a ticket while taking the ferry to island since every tickets were sold out. So we have to come in the morning and be in line to catch the ferry.
Everyone has parked their car in the ferry, and this is our cutie pie car. And now we are going to the deck. So this is the stairs to the deck. It was my first time. I was so amazed to see that there's so many cars that are being accommodated in this ferry. But now since it's my 4th time, I guess, traveling to Vancouver Island, so it's normal now. We have arrived at the deck, and this is the ferry. You can see this is so big. This is a huge ferry.
Journey in ferry itself is so interesting since it has restaurants, it has cafe, you can get your breakfast and coffee from. They also have workstations in case you want to catch up on your work or you want to charge your phone or laptops. Just look how big the ferry is. I was literally amazed for the first time when I traveled in ferry because you can do anything you like. Moreover, if you don't want to sit inside, you can just come outside and take a stroll around the ferry and look over the phenomenal views.
So we have parked our car and now we are on the deck soaking in the views.
And the journey is 2 hours, guys, but the views are so good that we won't even get to know it's 2 hours.
Yeah, we won't get bored because there are so many things to do in ferry, and obviously you can see the view. We have the mountain views and sea views, so it's worth it.
So guys, it started raining when we were recording, so now we are in a shed over here. So let's hope that weather stays good at Tofino and we enjoy our trip.
Although weather report showed that it will just be cloudy for today, but for rest 2 days the weather would be good. So let's hope for the best.
And we can surf if the weather is good.
Yeah, we are gonna...
Yeah, Tofino is famous for surfing, so we hope that it's good weather for surfing.
Yeah.
So after taking a stroll, we came inside to feel cozy since it is raining outside. Also, I love grabbing a window seat.
So now it's time to leave ferry and we are going to our deck 2. To our car.
Finally, we arrived at Nanaimo Ferry Terminal, which is in Vancouver Island, and we are just so ready for our long drive to Tofino.
After we arrived at Nanaimo ferry terminal, we drove 1.5 hours to Port Alberni. Although the drive was 1.5 hours long, guys, but it did not feel like at any time that I'm getting bored because the drive was so amazing, and also the view
It's really good. It felt like I'm traveling in between the clouds because the weather is little rainy and cloudy. It felt so good. Now I'm at Port Alberni and we still have 1.5 hours left to Tofino. We have stopped here for some snacks and
We are also charging our EV because in Tofino there are not many charging stations, so we will get it fully charged here and move ahead.
so yes, and let's have some snacks and let's head towards Tofino. So from the time we left Port Alberni, it's just raining throughout our way, and even we don't have our phone signals. But I am hopeful for 2 more days. We already knew that it will rain today, and the weather forecast says it's going to be sunny for the next 2 days. Hopefully it's going to feel good for the rest of our trip. And in a way, it's also good that we are getting to experience 2 different kind of weathers. And now we are about to reach Tofino and we are heading towards our resort, Pacific Sands. I'm so excited to explore our resort. Also, for the rest of our day, we are going to explore our resort and stay in our properties. Gaurav, how does it feel after driving such a long way?
It is definitely worth the drive. The views are totally breathtaking, I would say, and it never felt boring throughout the way.
Finally, we arrived at our resort and here is our parking ticket. First things first, we checked in with reception to get our keys, and the staff, they were so friendly. They described us everything and all the amenities about the resort. Also, they have this free and unlimited coffee and hot chocolate. Who would not want a hot chocolate in this cozy weather? And it's a hot chocolate cheers to Tofino and Pacific Sands Resort. Welcome to our room in Pacific Sands Resort in Tofino, which is going to be our stay for 2 more days. So we have finally arrived at Tofino and we just arrived at our resort. The room is fantastic. I was literally wowed when I entered the room, and the view from our room is mesmerizing. So we will be staying at Pacific Sands Resort, which is in Tofino, and the view is so good. Actually, we got a suite which is just in front of the ocean with the beach views, of course. Oh, we got a complimentary wine. Oh my god, Gaurav, look at this. Oh my god, I'm so happy now. Oh my god, they gave us 4 chocolates as well, and they also welcomed us. So this is a 3-bedroom oceanfront suite in Pacific Sands Resort, and the best thing about this is that you get unobstructed beach views from every other corner of the suite. And if you are coming with your friends or family, then this is a very good accommodation that it will fit all of you under one roof. The suite also comes with a kitchen with all the appliances and cutleries. How cute and cool are these raincoats? I saw people outside wearing these raincoats. They gave us these raincoats so that we can wear and go out even if it is raining. So the resort also gave us EV charging facility, which is cool. So now we are heading towards Cox Bay Beach. So if you stay in Pacific Sands Resort, then this beach is very accessible to you, like at any particular time. So guys, we are at the beach. It's drizzling. That's why we are wearing the raincoat, as you can see. This raincoat is also from Pacific Sands Resort. It is fun, except that it's raining. But I'm hoping it would be more interesting tomorrow because the weather is going to be sunny tomorrow. So yeah, I'm hopeful. Also, this resort has a very positive vibe. This resort is family friendly and pet friendly. That's why I can see so many families and pets around me. It feels really good. Also, they have given us a fire pit for tonight, which we are going to enjoy tonight. And they have amenities like restaurants, cafes.
So yes, let's explore what's in this resort. But yeah, it feels good. चाहे बारिश हो रही है, but मज़ा आ रहा है. और पता है बारिश में भी लोग सर्फिंग करने जा रहे हैं. इतना ज़्यादा क्रेज़ है ना लोगों को. They are going with their surfboards, and also people are taking baths.
So this is Cox Bay Beach, one of the most famous and beautiful beaches in Tofino.
So despite this weather, we still got an amazing sunset, as you can see, and I'm so loving the weather. I did not expect this actually, but it's good.
You know what? Tofino got the most beautiful sunsets in the world, and this is happening right here in this beach. I'm already in love with the sunset and the beach. This would be the reason why anyone would want to stay in this resort, since the beach is just a walk away. We spent some time walking around the beach and viewing the golden hour. It felt so lovely, trust me. I feel that I am so blessed that I am witnessing this kind of sunset today.
Guys, it's a little bit cold, but we are still enjoying it.
Yeah, the weather is lovely.
Yeah.
And it keeps on changing every 2 minutes. It's raining 1 minute and then next minute we see the sunshine.
Yeah, it feels nice actually. And Tofino must trip, right?
Yeah.
अभी तो हमने sunny weather
We
देखा
just
नहीं है.
landed Tofino, but we are loving it.
Yes.
So after the refreshing beach session, we went to our room and relaxed for a bit, and now we are here for the dinner. We are at some donair place, and I have ordered donair with pita bread. Let's see how it would be.
Show your panda.
Yes, my panda. So Gaurav gifted me this panda after my exam. So I'm all set for my dinner, and I'm sitting by the fireplace. It feels so cozy. So we'll take our dinner to outside and we'll go for stargazing.
And our drink.
Yes, Gaurav is going all pink today. Looks like that. So that wraps up our first day at Tofino. I really hope that you liked our vlog. Day 2 is filled with more activities and sightseeing in Tofino. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. See you in our next one. Bye.